Guys, sobrang lamig na yan. Look. Para yan na snow pero light rain. Yan. Very quiet and peaceful, you know. Just like memories bring back talaga ng high school time. Kadto eskwelahan, bakta sila. Diba? Kaya banla yan na kay snow na atong view, diba? Oh, thank you, Lord.